Hi, and welcome back. In this video, we are going to be learning about digestive organ accessory, digestive system, accessory organs, and some other nearby structures. So the first place we want to talk about is in the right upper quadrant, and that's the largest organ inside your body, known as the liver. So it's roughly triangular in shape. Just inferior to it on the undersurface on the right side of the liver, where the yellow arrow is a saccular structure known as the gallbladder, which serves as a temporary repository for bile, especially at night when you are not eating. A third organ is the pancreas. Now, the pancreas is directly posterior to the stomach. So oftentimes in pictures, they'll pull the stomach up so you can see the pancreas below, but the stomach actually sits anterior to the pancreas. And so the pancreas has a retroperitoneal position. When we look at the pancreas, the head of the pancreas is the portion that is surrounded by the C-shaped portion of the duodenum. And so that is to the right of the midline, and then the pancreas continues to the left of the midline and through the body to the tail of the pancreas. And the tail of the pancreas will end at that dark purplish organ there. Inside the pancreas, running the entire length from the tail through the head, is the main pancreatic duct. Yes, if you look at the head of this pancreas, you can see that there's an accessory duct here, but we are not going to be learning about that duct. Now, the main pancreatic duct, if you look at this big picture, starting in the tail, going all the way through the head, actually is going to join up with this green duct here, and together the two of them will dump their contents into the duodenum through this opening known as the ampulla of Vater. So you can see it in both of these pictures, the ampulla of Vater. And so what was that structure at the tail of the pancreas? Well, that is your spleen, which is not a digestive organ, but it just happens to be right adjacent to the tail of the pancreas, tucked right underneath the diaphragm in the left upper quadrant. And one last structure, if we go back and we look at the liver, where we are going to have arteries and veins, I want to point out this lilac structure, which is the hepatic portal vein, which is discussed in more detail when we do blood vessels of the digestive system. So with that, we are done with the associated structures, and I will see you again soon as we continue our exploration of the digestive system.